Interesting fact, HeLa cells have been crucial in cancer research. Henrietta Lacks was an African-American woman whose case became one of the most significant in the history of medicine and bioethics. She was born on August 1, 1920, in Roanoke, Virginia, and died on October 4, 1951, in Baltimore, Maryland, at the age of 31 due to aggressive cervical cancer. During her treatment at Johns Hopkins Hospital, Dr. Georgegey, a cancer researcher, obtained a tissue sample from Henrietta Lacks' cervical tumor without her knowledge or consent. This practice was common at the time, as there were no strict regulations on informed consent. When Dr. Gey cultured Henrietta's cells in the lab, he discovered something extraordinary. The cells not only survived outside the human body, but also replicated at an astonishing rate. These cells were named HeLa, derived from the first letters of her first and last name. HeLa cells were the first immortalized human cells to be successfully cultured in a laboratory. This means that, unlike most human cells that die after a few days, HeLa cells continue to divide indefinitely under the right conditions. This made them invaluable for scientific and medical research for several reasons. HeLa cells have been crucial in cancer research, allowing scientists to better understand how cancer cells develop and spread. In the 1950s, Jonas Salk used HeLa cells to test the polio vaccine, leading to the eradication of the disease in much of the world. HeLa cells have been fundamental to many discoveries in genetics and cell biology, including studies on the cell cycle and DNA replication. They have also been used to study AIDS, humanpapillomavirus, HPV, and many other viruses, helping to develop treatments and therapies. The case of Henrietta Lacks has raised numerous ethical issues related to informed consent, the ownership of human tissues, and compensation for donors' families. For many years, the Lacks family was unaware of the use of Henrietta's cells and received no compensation, despite the enormous benefits HeLa cells generated for the biomedical industry. The book, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, written by Rebecca Skloot and published in 2010, brought Henrietta's story and its impact on medicine and scientific ethics to the public eye. The book helped initiate conversations about the need for changes in informed consent practices and the importance of recognizing and respecting donors and their families. Henrietta Lacks' legacy is vast and enduring. HeLa cells continue to be an essential tool in biomedical research. Moreover, her story has spurred important debates and changes in research policies and medical ethics. In 2013, the Lacks family reached an agreement with the National Institutes of Health, NIH, to gain some control over access to the HeLa cell genome sequence and to receive recognition in future studies. The case of Henrietta Lacks underscores the need for a balance between scientific advancement and respect for individual rights, reminding the scientific community and society at large of the importance of ethics in medical research. Thank you for watching our videos. Follow us and share to see more videos from the Corner of Curiosity.